Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, Twitter. Good morning, YouTube. Has our big phone today. It is the 5th of April, and we're kind of cooler right now. Not doing too much.
It's everything you wish for. Your site traffic is skyrocketing. Until this.
Excuse me, guys. Chat, I'll be right back. Right now, chat, I'm kind of going in between, like, taking like parts of my carpet out and coming back here, seeing what I can do for the trades. Alright, folks, I'll be right back. I'm gonna kind of rip out a few more pieces, get some things on my carpet done. Looking to buy support here. I am pretty busy today, so yeah, I'll take the chance here on the buy on the support. Naturally, I think I'd want to wait for a retracement on a sell, like wait for this buy to kind of play out, go up, wait for the next candle to print, and be bearish. This candle looks like it might be flipping back bearish as well. We still got 9 minutes left in the candle, so we got a lot of time. So we'll just see what happens. Let's see what this candle ends up printing like, and we'll go from there. Yeah, if I'm being honest, chat, I think it's our best interest to most likely really wait for a nice support to be formed, or um, most likely look here to wait for that retracement play. Because this looks like a perfect setup for a retracement, to be honest. Damn near perfect. So since our hourly is closing with a minor bearish, we're just gonna still be patient, not looking to get anything. If I'm being honest, I feel like our support will be formed relatively soon. But the hourly is breaking past some of the supports, so we'll see what happens. We could keep flooding down, potentially even further down to 162.986. Alright, folks, so I'll be right back again. Unfortunately, yeah, like we just got a lot of be patient today, like a lot of patience. Looking at this tray here on gold, the 15-minute candle really did present us another opportunity. We had two opportunities yesterday to catch this huge move on the 15-minute time frames, and I totally disregarded them. And I'm not gonna say I'm like disregarding them again today, but like I basically missed another opportunity with this 15-minute candle here, just because like we are in a very ah, we're in a very bullish trending market at the moment, especially with gold. That in a moment or in a time where we have so much volume, I gotta take these risks right here because these have been very profitable for us recently, especially right after a 30-minute break. Here was the 30-minute break, and then the entry we would have had would have been on this candle, but on the close of the 15-minute, and that was right here. So you could have taken a 15-minute entry here, or it was the close of the 7:30 candle, but it was the second half of that 30-minute candle, and that second half of that candle here gave us a super fire entry to at least get a nice 1-to-1 entry. Could have had two positions on this, would have been very, very swell. But I just wanted to let everybody know that there was the opportunity there that I did miss, and I missed the opportunity yesterday for sure with the Jolts job openings. Yesterday with the 15-minute time frame, I had plenty of opportunities to enter and have a very profitable position, even without spread. We could have had plenty of positions down here, and unfortunately, I did not act upon them yesterday. Everybody, you can always check out my stream yesterday to see how my emotions were in the time being, all that type of stuff. But um, when I'm looking at that, I noticed that yesterday and then today as well. We could have had another position, 15-minute time frame. This would have been worked out. But since we did not enter it, I can't really fight anything on that. I'm just gonna let it be. Let's go switch it back. See what pound yen's doing. Pound yen might form a support here. We do not know. I'm not too sure on what it's thinking about doing yet. Obviously, I would imagine it's creating a support in this area to then eventually start coming and retracing back down or try to get a retracement play. But really, we're just gonna have some patience here. Oh, my boy Glacius, bro. Hey, good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Really good to see you. Actually, I haven't heard from you in a minute, so good to see you again. Um, hope everything's going well for you in your life, my bro. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, working hard, getting to the money, supporting your family, and hitting some trades here and there, trying to get that knowledge in. So yeah, we got 26 minutes up until this candle close, so we do gotta have some waiting time. Meantime, I am gonna go start working back on my carpet. I'm trying to lay down some laminate flooring in my house. Yeah, I was gonna say it's going okay. It's pretty it's a learning process, I'm gonna say that. But it's definitely going good. I'm super excited. I can't wait to update it when it's all there. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we getting the best. I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. I could lose both hands, wouldn't drop the bag. Slam dunk on your bitch like Jawanja, man. Oh, man. That man Babytron's a legend. Alright, so we kind of have two interesting plays going on. Kind of like counter trend trades, but I don't know if I'm really. I don't know how much I like counter trend trades. For how bullish gold's been, I ain't gonna lie. That counter trend bullish for gold might stay away from, but probably look to buy the support if it has a decent bullish candle here. But in the meantime, we're just gonna hold it off for a minute. Hey, Witty Wicks, bro, it's good to see you, bro. Let's go check our Discord, man. I haven't checked my Discord since I know that there's some people. We'll go ahead and check the Discord. So here's my boy in London session. He caught himself some really good plays yesterday, like super solid, as you guys can see. Fucking absolutely amazing, to be honest. Everybody's gonna have their little times where they gotta cut losses short, but it doesn't matter. You know, as long as we come back and make plays like this, that's what matters most, because that's what's gonna keep us profitable traders. You know, if we cut our losses short, keep everything in check, and then hit our 1-to-1s and beyond. You know, it's kind of hard to fuck up. No session me this morning. Still waiting to see if gold will dip a little bit before continuing bullish with the news in about an hour. Yep, that's a good idea. There was a nice entry on the 15 minute, to be honest. Strictly a swing trade, or not swing trade, scalp position. Boom, 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 dead. Yeah, yeah, you ain't lying. It's been flying. It's been nice though, man. Damn. I mean, oh my goodness. It's like, oh, I'm so like, yes, like if you guys would have watched my stream yesterday, it was crazy. I was literally just focused on 30-minute candles and just like my 1-to-1s weren't adding up. Like, and what I mean is like I would have a stop loss maybe like 50 pips, and my take profit, like my first take profit, the first thing I saw, my first like target zone, anything like that, it was like fucking 45, 40 pips. So it was like, I can't answer that. You know, I can't have a 50 pip stop loss and then have a 40 pip take profit. Like, if I lose or if I win, technically I'm gonna get fucked on my next trade, because technically I'm like my 1-to-1 is fucking my risk to reward ratio is ass backwards. So I was like, fuck, I'll just stay out of it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay out of it. I'm gonna stay out of it. No big deal, right? You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Damn, dog, I saw that shit how it flew up. I ain't gonna lie, it is what it was, but that shit hurt my heart. Stabbed me real good. I saw it go up. I was literally just about to answer that shit too. I was like, gosh, damn. And then I looked at the 15-minute time frame, and then when I looked at the 15-minute time frame, that's when I was just like, yeah, yikes. Yikes. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Just gonna go. I'll be pretty much back in the next. I'll come check it about at like in 8:20. You know, 8:20. I'll come back, check it, see where we're looking, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we are forming that support. I'll be back, guys. feel like if this candle gives me a better range wick, I might even take a sell. To be honest, I might do this counter trend trade here on gold. It is relatively risky for sure. We do got a resistance, previous resistance that was formed here. The biggest thing is I wouldn't want this to become a retracement. Boom, right here, retraces, comes right back up. That's the biggest risk I have on my mind because we are so bullish. But price has, this is like all-time highs. So I'm almost thinking, could this be the start of the downtrend? You know, I mean, we are. If we go on the monthly, maybe, right? I mean, yeah, could we wick fill? You know, that's also something I gotta consider too. You know, monthly's very, very bullish. Yeah, I mean, we're really close to all-time highs. I mean, it's a lot of things to think about, to be honest. And I'm not gonna lie, the fact there's no wick on this candle, makes me not want to sell this even more. Like, I don't think I'm gonna get into this. I don't even think I might enter a trade today, just like yesterday. Unfortunately, I mean, but yesterday there was opportunities. To be honest, yesterday was plenty of opportunities to make a good trade. Today, it's looking a little chintzy, you know. Not looking like we have the best setups. So, with that being said, you know, trying to be a little patient here. I think with gold, I'm just gonna like let it be. Like, we're just gonna stay away from that. Because if I'm being honest, this sell here would not be a good idea. Only reason why I said is this previous resistance. I mean, it's just in such a key spot to do a retracement. I mean, this next 30-minute candle could just fly up or make a small support for the next candle to fly up. Like, it's kind of what I'm anticipating in regards to gold. That's why I'm staying away from any type of sells. Now, pound yen, I could actually see make a decent push to the top side. You know, we could secure some pips here if this candle does close in support. If it doesn't close in support, I mean, we can't do anything besides, you know, just chill back. Which, to be honest, it doesn't look like it's going to close anywhere bullish. So, and this, I mean, my God. I mean, even though I know this candle did break past resistance, we'd have a, you know, a little range here we could probably fill to this bottom right here. I didn't really measure how far this is, so that's kind of why I'm like, yeah, staying away from it. Plus, we're near form of support. It's about 20 pips away, 18 pips away. Yeah, I think I'm good. If this candle does end up pushing further down, I mean, good for it. Want to make sure I'm entering positions that I'm more, like, got more confidence in. I wouldn't want to enter a sell as of right now because candles are starting to become more and more weak as we speak. The candles becoming more and more weak as we speak. I got a little rap going. It's goofy as hell, but nah. The hell. But real stuff though, I'd rather be patient. We're near a lot of support. We're near a lot of support. So at any moment we could probably form a support. Wouldn't want to enter a sell off FOMO. Shit, NYSE. Might take a look at this 15-minute here. If this 15-minute closes bullish, I might enter a retracement buy position here on gold. But to be honest, this 15-minute I feel like can just fly up, and then I'm just gonna be like, yeah, maybe not. Yeah, exactly what I was talking about too. Man, oh man, thank God we didn't do anything crazy here. That'd be rough. That would be rough, man. But here in this next 15 minute though, I'm not gonna lie. If this candle could just pull back down a little bit and we have that wick at the top, that range wick, ooh, that's a good looking candle. That's a good looking candle. I like how candles like that be setting up. But you know, until then we got 12 minutes, so we got some waiting to do. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Well, folks, I'm not gonna lie. The way it's looking right now and time, how it's kind of going, like, shit, we're getting to a time where my stream starts to kind of end. And we're getting to a time where I don't know if we're going to be seeing any setups within my New York session. I did miss one setup with the 15 minute, though, I will say. I missed one setup we did have here, 15 minute. Is what it is. Let me go ahead and double check it so you guys can double check and see. That opportunity was right here. which was very risky. But with this candle, we have a bigger range wick, a very small liquidity grab. We do have some type of liquidity grab, which is always good. And obviously our range wick is pretty nice here. Very trending, a bullish trending market. Yeah, could have been very successful. What's funny though is if you would have entered on this 15 minute, it wouldn't have been as successful because such a fat stop loss here. It's better to wait for that 30 minute, right? 7 o'clock. So the opening of this next candle is when that happened. Entry would have looked like this at 7:30. I guess you could say if I had more balls and paid attention. But about we could have had something about a 180 pip stop loss, and they have a like simply your 1-to-1, right? But the 1-to-1 would have easily smashed. We could have had it at the top of the resistance here, boom. Would have worked out real smooth. Heat of the moment though. Um, Wanted to stay safe and play it safe. Obviously, I saw the move, and I'm getting better at understanding these lower time frames in confluence with higher time frames, because that's super important. They have to be in confluence. But yeah, unfortunately though, no plays again for me today. Yesterday presented some great opportunities with the Joel's job openings. I mean, my goodness, that shit was so amazing. To anybody that caught those positions, like, shit, if I had the little the little sound bar, I gotta get one of those. But if I had the little clapping, woo, yeah, that would have been you guys, man, for sure. Cause you guys would have been feeling like you guys are on cloud nine. Um, but yeah, in regards to this, I'm straight. I don't want to sell it. I don't have no interest on doing none of that. At this point, it's in its own range. If it comes down here, it could form a support, it may not. Like, we just got to see at this point. This could be some patience here to find a really good entry with gold. Or, depends. We could close bullish, maybe a nice retracement play. That'd be the time I could see as maybe entering something. But getting closer to the time I'm hopping off this stream. But of course, I do want to, if I do see something, I would like to take advantage of it. But with how all this is looking, I mean, we got so much. I mean, we have a lot of we had a lot of liquidity, a lot of money built up right here. At any moment this could just catch. I would rather wait for that retracement play because obviously we're trending bearish. We seems to be forming lower lows and higher lows, or lower highs, excuse me. So forming lower lows and lower highs. Kind of more leaning towards sells when it comes down to pound yen, but clearly not at the moment. At the moment, I feel like we have time. We're like coming to a slowdown. Is basically what I'm trying to say. We've been trending bearish for quite some time, nearing a lot of supports, and a whole lot of money. So, best way for that support play, or your retracement play, which preferably, if you have the patience, retracement play would be really nice, but you always gotta remember, so like different days always have different things. And sometimes I feel like some days you just can't force anything. And I think this is actually that day, especially because we was such a volatile day yesterday. Clearly there were sell positions earlier this morning. I hopped on about 7:30, 30 minutes late than I usually do. So I'm not gonna be, oh my gosh, I missed the sales earlier this morning, so I'm just gonna start hopping in sales. Just gotta play with the options I got at the moment. And some days are just good just to stay out of it. And I think this might be one of those days where I just got to know that these opportunities didn't present themselves as well today. And I got to come back looking forward to catching these opportunities better, being more keen. And when I say more keen, I really want to start. Honestly, it's speaking more on gold. I really want to get better just because I've been noticing. I usually trade 30-minute time frames generally. I always like trading off the 30-minute usually. Obviously, I look at my higher time frames, including the monthly, the weekly, the hourly, the 4-hour, 30-minute XYZ. to get my basis of my kind of my overall bias on what I'm really thinking of, and then the lower time frames in regards to being more than 30-minute, it kind of gives me my direction on like where I'm like, if I've seen mostly bearish candles on the higher time frames, I'm going to be looking for like a 30-minute time where, it's like breaking the support of something bearish. We could probably take a sell, a retracement play, something along those lines, to enter. At times I will enter impulsive entries depending on the setup, and it's breaking a certain wick and we got a clean range, and we have been ranging within, what I'm saying? It's just, there's so many different options, but uh, I just want to, I just gotta keep this going. So maybe finally we might start forming a support, potentially, right? We'll see. We can just get rid of this because we've broken past it. It's invalid at this point, so it can hold at another point. Potentially around this level, 163, or maybe even right now, We'll just see. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I gotta get to work. I'm gonna see how these 9 o'clock candles close, and depending on how these 9 o'clock candles close, I'm really gonna determine how much longer I will stay onto my stream. I do have something that I have my other side job I have to go to today at 11 o'clock. So with that being said, yeah, I kind of have to cut it short anyways, even if I wanted to stay on longer. But we will see how it goes with this 9 o'clock candle. We'll see how it closes, and we'll go from there. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I'll be right back. Just if anybody is watching, go do your guys' thing. If you guys take care of something, you cook a breakfast, whatever you guys gotta do, I will be back. I'd say, wow, that was interesting. If anybody just saw that, that was kind of cool. But some volume coming in the pound yen. Is there any news coming in at 9 o'clock? Yeah, it's PMI today. My goodness, I didn't pay attention to that. And this is what I'm talking about, though. Hold on. Whoa. There's PMI at 9 o'clock, and we're making this retracement play. Whoa. I will put this on hold for a second. Hold on. The carpets will wait. This is very much more important. Hold on. Oh, and I accidentally entered a play. I tried to hit open this morning before I even started my stream. I was getting my parameters set, and I accidentally fucking hit. It said open calc. I accidentally hit open trade, so I instantly closed. So, I mean, honestly, I didn't even take a trade, to be honest. Now this is only if this candle closes bullish. We are not entering if this candle does not do that. Yeah, so right now it's just so good to wait. 100% let this candle. There's 13 minutes. When high volume, there's a lot of time. And what I mean is in 5 seconds, it could be 20 fucking pips. And you'd be like, so it's like, holy. It's best to be patient. I'm definitely waiting for the 30-minute candle at this point. Like, sales can be a potential, but we have been so bullish that I'm just ready for, kind of ready for anything. But if we start breaking past this, let me actually mark this because it's actually this is a key level here. This would change my bias completely, especially during news. Then at that point, it wants to come back down. If we break right there, 2015.51. We break past that, 100%. This could be sell stops, to be honest. Maybe just a little bit below, just so it's not, you don't get like, the spread don't get you, but it's a little bit below. I personally don't have my sell stops set up. I need to. Something I need to honestly put my experience in so I can get more wisdom. But yeah. Ooh. My goodness, it's crazy how much this thing can change. Like, it goes from this to that. It's crazy. Like, for real, I mean, wow. It's very impressive. The space sounds. Whoa. Potentially might even answer, to be honest, on pound yen. Only if we have a range wick. If we do not have a range wick, I'm not answering that. Especially with ISM PMI coming in. No, thank you. It's like flipping a coin. It could go unders, it could not, and that's just the way that candle is. I don't want that. But if it closes with the wick on top, that's what a range wick is. Then that's a different story. I have more confidence in that. I'm a little skeptical here, just because we're at all-time highs. PMI's coming in, we could easily flood down. We are very, very bullish. I understand we're trading very, very bullish, but how these lower time frames are starting to print could make me think relatively different, especially if we start breaking right here, 2015. That is a key level in regards to how we're gonna be trending. To be honest, I feel like once we break this, I don't think we're gonna be trading in the 2000 much longer. We're gonna be back in 1980s and stuff. I feel like the lowest it would go is 1977 and start ranging up in there. But we will see. I mean, sometimes gold can go way past that. I mean, we'll see. It's kind of. It's all a learning experience for me, really. You know, understanding how these can all correlate with these lower time frames to the higher time frames, the higher time frames to lower time frames, X, Y, Z. Pretty much 163.78. It's like my highest take, like my initial take profit gotta be that 163.78. So let's just get rid of this bias. Just make sure I don't hit fucking open trade, open count. There we go. So this morning I had some stuff up on like that, and I accidentally hit open trade, and I realized I was like, whoa, instantly close. Oh. So right now it's already ass backwards. But this is previous, so honestly, you gotta have a little bit more confidence. I don't think, to be honest, right about there. Maybe we can stretch, but hey, I say right about there, to be honest. We'll see. If the R to R is backwards, we may not enter. We got 7 minutes though. So it's gonna wait a little bit. I'll be right back. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm really praying now at this point. I'm praying that this candle holds bullish, man. I really want to enter this position. It looks like a beautiful position. Almost so beautiful that I almost want to enter 2 plays, but we still got 3 minutes, and I'd be so sad if this mug just flipped bearish. I'd be like, no. The song doesn't make it any better. I feel like I'd be super sad. Yeah, let's do that. Everything else I do for the rest of the day, I'm just because this fucking candle went bearish. I'd be so sad. Alright, 30-minute candles. We'll make sure 30-minute, everything's on point. Don't want to be fucking up anything stupid. I got my positions. Okay. It's really getting weak though, man. A real weak bullish candle, boy. I'll tell you. How's my spread looking? Spread, not bad. About 2 pips. I'm gonna go back to TradingView. I can see how much time we got on this candle. It's getting me too antsy. I'm like looking at it like it's about to close now. Woo! It's so funny, the anticipation you be getting. It's like, damn. Trading's actually crazy. So like 15 seconds, we'll just, you know. Holy. Alright. Whew. 20 seconds. Oof. Yeah, wow, this is interesting. So we're pretty much about ready around the corner. Oh! What the fuck was that? Whoa! Thank God we didn't enter. Yo, PMI was crazy. Yo, I think my broker just saved my ass. I'm about to thank him. Yo! Whoa, dude. PMI is going crazy. I said, what? What the fuck? Alright, I'm hopping up after that. This is a sign. But I ain't gonna watch this though. I had to watch this. I just had to see what happens. Yeah, we're not entering nothing. That was a sign from above. Hey, thank you. Ooh. Hey, if anybody saw that, God. I think my dad was looking after me on that one, man. Whew, that was lit. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually lit. That's a highlight of its own. Like, damn. You know what? That's crazy as hell. I can't even lie. Yo, I don't know, man. That shit, I know probably no one's even here watching this shit at this point. But, oh my God. At the end of the day, that shit was a lit ass highlight. It is, oh, holy. I thought I got smoked. I'm like, I even hit the open trade button. I went, boom. I heard doodaloo. I thought it fucked me up so bad. I thought something happened. I was like, oh, fuck. Oh, it just didn't put me in the trade. Oh, my God. Thank you so much. It didn't put me in the trade. Holy. I thought I was smoked. I thought damn near the way that mug, I didn't see it at first. I was like, damn, did that mug really just dump down that quick on me? Like I just got smoked on what's it called? Slippage? I was like, damn, I got fucked up on slippage that bad. That's what I was thinking. I thought slippage rocked me. Whew. I got no words to be honest. Besides, thank goodness. You know, it's all right. We're here. We're here. Looks like I gotta come back tomorrow. That's what it looks like to me, honestly. This is crazy. It don't want to move. Like, what the hell? It had a gap. Like, not even a little gap, a huge gap. It's just kind of crazy. But if we start trading passive, would impulsive entry be a bad idea? Spreads aren't they're not that high right now. We'll see. We'll see. Let's take a look here. Obviously, we're gonna have higher than that, but if I was something like that, well, I definitely don't want to take profit that high. Let's see. What the hell? I'm so confused. Huh. There's a gap on my stock on my broker, but there's not a on the broker on whoever the I forget what it is, like FX FX.com or something like that. Or, well, who's the broker on this one? Oh, Onda. That's right. Onda. Oh, this one's Forex.com. Did this one have a gap? None of them had a gap. What the fuck? Hey, I don't care. That shit saved my ass. Damn. Alright, let's just get rid of the ideas here today. Let's just leave it be. So interesting. It's starting to but see, not really though, because if I was looking at my other one, it'd be like looking like it'd be closing a support, while this looks like it's closing resistance. So I'm like, am I on the 15 minutes? It's telling me the wrong damn thing. I'm about to say, what the hell? Yo, alright. I think that's just it. That's it. Not too much has kind of happened. I'm going to review it later on today. But no trades today. Very, very crazy, honestly. What the hell? It was, I think that was a little blessing from above, you know, to let me know that I need to study macroeconomics a little bit more, you know. Because this is interesting. You know, I'd like to know the reasons more behind this, you know, better, you know, rather than just reading the description here on, wrong thing, on the Forex Factor, you know. Understand this a little bit better. Above 50 needs industry expansion. Okay. Well, folks, we'll be back, man. We'll be back. Everybody take it easy. I hope everybody has a great day. And yeah, we'll see each other tomorrow. Early in the morning, 7 o'clock a.m. Central Time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate everybody. And Glacius, it was great seeing you again. Mario, I appreciate your dedication, discipline. Chain trades. I know you don't always tap into my morning streams, but chain trades, I appreciate your dedication to the Discord as well on trading on your crypto end. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate it, and let's keep